Okay, today we're going to talk about the surface area of prisms. Surface area of prisms is going to be the covering or finding the area of all of the outside surfaces of a three-dimensional figure. So the first type of surface area we're going to talk about is lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is the sum of all faces except, meaning it does not include the bases. So it does not include the top and the bottom. On your formula chart, you can see that the lateral surface area formula is S equals big PH. That capital P means that we have to do some sort of calculation. And just to remember, capital P stands for perimeter of the base. So we will be calculating the perimeter of that base shape. Now, H is the height of your prism. When we talk about total surface area is all the faces, meaning top, bottom, sides, the middle, everything. So our formula for total surface area is big PH, which is that middle section, plus 2 of the bases for the top and the bottom. And again, you see that B is a capital B, so it is a calculation, and it is area of the base. So again, we'll be calculating the area of that base shape. So let's look down here at this rectangular prism. The first one we are going to be talking about is finding lateral surface area. So lateral surface area, we know the formula, S equals big PH. So we're going to need to find the perimeter of the base. Well, here's our base right here. It's already shaded for us. So if I need to find the perimeter, I'm going to add 14 plus 14 because we have 14 here, plus 12 on the other side. That gives me 52 inches. And then the height of our prism right here is 9. So because our formula says surface area is the perimeter of the base times the height, I'm going to be taking 52 times 9, and when I multiply that together, 468 inches squared. We are talking about area, so we are still working in squared inches. Moving over to total surface area, I'm going to use the formula S equals big PH plus 2 big B. So again, we're starting off with our perimeter. Here's our base shape again. The perimeter we know is 52. We found that right over here. We also know that the height is 9. And now we need to calculate big B. Big B is going to be the area of the base. Well, since my base is a rectangle, area equals base times height. I will be multiplying 14 times 12. So my area is equal to 168 inches squared for that base. Now, putting it all together, my formula says we are going to take the perimeter of the base, 52, times the height, which is 9, and then we're going to take 2 times 168 for my area of the bases. Well, I already know that the perimeter times the height, I already know that from my previous problem, 468, that's a plus 2 times the 168, I should get a surface area of 804 inches squared. All right, when you see figures like below, which are triangular prisms, you're going to be following the same process. The only difference will be because your bases are triangles. When you are finding big B, you are going to be calculating the area of a triangle.